The guidelines are the maximum punishment that you could face and the minimum punishment that you could face if you are convicted of the crime which you're currently facing. So, the maximum is decided by the type of crime that you're currently charged with. If you're charged with a third-degree felony and you're not a career criminal or have another type of enhancement, the maximum possible punishment, the top of your guidelines, is 5 years in state prison. The bottom number on your guidelines is determined by a formula that uses the crime that you're currently facing and any criminal past you have to determine if a term in state prison or if non-state prison is the bottom of your guidelines. By using a guidelines analysis, you can determine, or rather a licensed, experienced, and aggressive criminal defense attorney who's fighting for your rights on your behalf can determine whether or not any plea offer made by the state is in your best interest based on the fact if it's below your guidelines, if it's within your guidelines, or if it's the max, in which case it may not make sense to take that plea offer. But ultimately, what the guidelines do is they allow you and your licensed, experienced, and aggressive criminal defense attorney the opportunity to fully evaluate your position in the case and your strategy going forward.